ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rangba Jong Kejela Konrad Kongel Sangma haka kat sauteri gubernur Rempang Arajar Arpuar ulah Kyntait war ya ke Jingkynnoh baka Sorkar jela kalale Meinah ya ke East Jaiñtia Hills District. Haka jingnya keren mat kilat patai kubor Menteri Rangba ulah ong halor ke Jingdawa ban penkha ya ke Community and Rural Development Block haka snong lom snong kadon ke komiti ke bapet kerpang ya ke bala klik da ke Chief Secretary jong ke Sorkar jela ban kemi biang halor ke Jingdawa ban penkha blok hakeleng ke jela. Ulah benrap badala deru ulah kemi lang halor kini ke Jingdawa ban penkha ya ki blok batmai hakeleng ke jela barok ke wei namar baki don shisha ki jaka baki snong kila jingai na ki blok. Haga bayade bat ke Jingdawa ya ke Government College Haklerian Konrad Sangma ulaong ke Sorkar ke Kamno Otarajur ban thau de ki People College ne ki Community College kumbala play dangshen khnang ban la ban Kyntait kambon ki jaka.
So there are demands from many blocks throughout the state and there's a committee headed by Chief Secretary which examines all those demands. Once we get the report of that, we will take a decision. But I have myself assessed the whole situation. There are a lot of areas which are actually quite far away from the current blocks, and therefore public does face a lot of difficulty. So definitely we're examining, and as I said, it's not the question of just this particular block. There are demands from all over the state, and so the government will examine all of those and then come out with the announcement at the right time. We are examining, but not a provincialized government college. We are looking at community colleges now, and People's College is what we feel is a better model to move ahead with, because with that we're able to cover more locations. So therefore we are examining those aspects, but most likely it will not be a provincialized government college, but we are looking at the option of having some sort of a People's College, which we have just recently come up with in many locations throughout the state. So we will definitely examine that in a positive way.